Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list info for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Now, jumping right in, I know that we do have a lot of new DG couponers and new DG penny shoppers out there. So I do want to say welcome to the channel and thank you so much for being here. And I want to go ahead and let you guys in on a quick little secret. So if you didn't know, we get new digital coupons on our accounts every Sunday morning. And you want to make sure that you are signing in to your Dollar General accounts Sunday or Monday at some point in time and clipping your coupons to your account, because they will and can disappear on you. So you know your girl's got you covered here on the Craz-E Coupons YouTube channel, and I get up bright and early every Sunday morning. I go through all of the coupons. I find the best coupon matchups, any glitches that are going on, and I upload a quick little video for you all. I try to keep these videos at 10 minutes or less. So you guys make sure that you mark that down on your calendar and come back and check out a new video every single Sunday morning. Now also, if you are new here, you may not know that you can actually click on my name right down below this video, Craz-E Coupons. Click on that and that's going to take you to my home page on my YouTube channel. And from there, you can go to all kinds of places. You can check out older videos. I also have playlists, a lot of really good videos for beginner couponers. So if you haven't already done that, make sure that you go and check that out as well. All right, now let's go ahead and get into the new clearance markdowns for this week at Dollar General, and keep in mind that these will start on Tuesday, July the 18th. So first up, we have the Father's Day novelty gifts, aka fall winter hardware. This category is going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, July the 18th. So all of the items that are included in this category are scrolling across your screen here. I've also put the UPC code and the regular price down there underneath the picture for you all, as well as the description right below that. So be on the lookout for these items. At some stores, they had a standalone display box that you might find near an end cap or up and down one of the aisles. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go if you're wanting to pick some of these up at 70% off. But as always, keep in mind that these will continue to drop in price and they will eventually penny out. Actually, just last week, we had the Father's Day cups and mugs. Those pennied out last Tuesday, so you might want to keep an eye out for those as well. I absolutely love finding the older penny items. Now, I didn't have much luck finding the Father's Day cups or mugs, but I kind of expected that. However, I did luck up and I found a couple of the mugs that were following the brown dot home items. And I also found a couple of graduation things as well. So I did find quite a few penny items last Tuesday. So you guys let me know how you did down in the comment section below. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we will have a ton of amazing couponing deals to do next week at Dollar General as well. So this week was absolutely crazy. I couldn't even keep up with all the deals. So hopefully we will have another week just like this past week was. Now, moving right along into our next category, we are going to have the Memorial Day flowers dropping down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, July the 18th. So here's a few pictures of the Memorial Day flowers. Keep in mind there are different colors out there as well, but we have the Memorial Day wreaths. These are normally $8, and then we also have the little single bouquet style flowers. These are normally $10 each. Now, moving on into our next clearance markdown, we have the summer barbecue category going down to 25% off starting on Tuesday, July the 18th. Now, I have not put together all of the visuals for this category just yet, but I'm going to try to have that done for you all by next week. So, y'all make sure that you stay tuned. And unfortunately, for this week at Dollar General, we do not have a new penny list so far. Now, if that changes, if I get any new information or anything, you guys will be the first to know. So make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Like I said, all of these new clearance markdowns will begin starting on Tuesday, July the 18th. Now, don't forget, before you go, let me know how you've been doing with your clearance shopping and penny shopping hauls. Have you been finding some good stuff out there? Let me know down in the comment section below. Here's a couple of pictures of the items that I found this week. Now, I believe I ended up with about 12 of those mugs, and they do have the red square sticker from Christmas on them, so they were kind of hidden brown penny items, but I was happy to go ahead and pick those up at 1 penny each. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, don't forget to do all of the things. Subscribe if you haven't already, turn on those notifications, and do your girl a huge, huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.